Hello, children. Good morning. Here is your social study teacher, Mrs. Olajide Victoria Modupeola. Before we went on emergency holiday, we treated 3 topics: African Organization, ECOWAS, and prevention of drug abuse and life coping scale. We have copied the notes I have marked. Today, we are going to 4th topic, and the topic is natural disaster. Under natural disaster, we are going to discuss on what is disaster, type of disaster, effect of natural and non-natural disaster. Then we talk on current affairs. Now, what is a disaster? A disaster is a great misfortune which happens suddenly to a person or group of people. It can happen to a person, it can happen to a group of people. It can even happen for a short period, it can happen for a long period, e.g. drought. It can also be fire or motor accident. There are 2 types of disaster. We have natural disaster and we have man-made or unnatural disaster. Natural disaster. Natural disasters are caused by nature. They are not caused by man-made at all. Man-made mistake or carelessness. Man does not have control over them at all. But the only thing the man can do is to prevent them or lessen some of the effects. If you look at the picture by the side of you see that this is an example of natural disaster. We have the storm, we have the earthquake, we have the volcanic, we have eruption, we have strong wind, we have tornado, we have hurricane winds, thunder, and lightning. Some of these, you cannot see them in Nigeria. We don't experience some of these. You can experience them in other countries. But we can have strong winds, we can have thunder, we can have lightning. We can even have hurricane winds, yes. And this one happen, and we normally see, especially when there is going to be rain, you can see thunder, you can see lightning. Now, when we talk of man-made or natural disaster, they are disaster caused by man. This one is caused by man or animals and can be controlled by man. If man want to control, they can control them. They are also man's mistake and carelessness. As I've told you, the other one is not man's mistake or carelessness, but this one is man's mistake and carelessness. If you look at the picture there, you can see dustbin on the road. Look at the vehicle moving and look at this dustbin by the side of the road. When there is rain and rain fall on it, it can cause different things to our health. We have vehicle accident, we have fire accident, plane crash, war, epidemic, like the one we have now, that we are in now. That is COVID-19 that we are. We have collapse of buildings, we have shipwrecked, and we have rail derailed. All on. So now we have effect of natural or natural disaster. What are the effects of this natural and unnatural disaster? Storm, it is caused by ship, sink, and ocean. Erosion is the washing down the topsoil away and put up down houses. We have the flood, which causes river to overflow. We have earthquake, cause sudden shrink of the earth or sources. We have strong winds, they blow down trees, building electric and telephone poles, board bills, signboard, etc. Then we have thunder and lightning. They can set building and trees on fire. On natural and man-made disaster, that one can just destroy farmland, pollution of land, air and water. They can spread diseases. All this costs a lot of money and hard work to replace back lost properties. The bad effect can also cause a lot of sorrow for the affected person. Therefore, we have to show positive attitude to the victim. How do we show positive attitude? We show them love, we pray for them, we visit them all the time. We have to understand their situation is not a hopeless one, they can still overcome it. Then we should give them gifts, such as money, such as clothes, such as food. We can buy things for them, anything they ask for. If you have the money, we buy for them. So when we do all this one, it means we are helping them. Then we go to current affair. We have Queen Elizabeth. One, she visited Nigeria in 1956. Many of us have not been born. Even me, your teacher, have not been born by then. But we had it in the history that he visited Nigeria. Then Nigeria changed from military to civilian rule on 1st October 1979. You know, before we are under military, but today we are under civilian rule. We are not under military now since 1979. And the first executive president of Nigeria then was Alhaji Shehu Shagari. He is not alive today, but we can never forget him. He's our first executive president of Nigeria. Immediately we changed from military to civilian rule. Thank you for listening, and God bless.